Hi class, this is the survey I shared with you. Now, some of you have mentioned that you've completed this from another teacher or a different class, which is perfectly fine since you can only do it once because you're using the same email. So what I'm asking you to do is this. Somewhere on that page, on the same page, it may not look exactly like this, but there is an option for you to mark it as done. And when you do that, that allows me to grade it. Otherwise, what happens is I can grade it, but I cannot move your name to the turned in group. So what you can do is this. If you finished with a different class, go ahead and type in a private comment for me. I have completed this. And that is fine. Once you're done with that, please make sure you click on done. Okay, and so once you've completed that, it should show up on my end and I could record the grade for you. Bye.